is Sheikh Faiza Obrin. I am studying 8th standard. Today I am going to explain about what is electricity, how does it work, and basic components in our robotics. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy that we use to power many things in our daily life like lights, TVs, computer, etc. How does electricity work? Electricity is made up of tiny particles called electrons. These electrons move from conductors like wires. When we plug something into a socket, electrons flows from one end of the circuit to the other, powering the device.
I have a question.
Okay.
What do you call this? Power board?
Controller, Arduino UNO.
The controller gets the information from where?
Sensors.
So, like remote machines that will send you the signal?
Yes. Yes.
With the help of Android app.
Wireless.
Yes, wireless.
Can handle tasks like image processing and AI. Motors are like the muscles of your robot. They make the robot move by turning wheels, spinning arms or lifting objects. Different types of motors can provide different kinds of movements like rotation or linear motion. Wheels are used for movement in many robots. It can be attached to motors to create a mobile robot that can drive around. Some kits may include different types of wheels for different terrain or purpose. Using Arduino, the robot will be able to pick up objects from one location and place them in another. We will use robotic arm with servo motors for movement and an Arduino board for control. Components needed: Arduino board. This will serve as the brain of our robot, controlling the movement of the robot.
Today I am going to tell about intermediate components in robotics and advanced concepts in robotics. And effectors. And effectors are tools or attachments at the end of a robot's arm. They help the robot interact with its environment. For example, grippers can pick up objects, while welding torches can join pieces of metal together. Programming interfaces. This is how humans communicate with the robot. It could be through a computer program, a remote control, or even voice command.
In the Arduino IDE that define the movement of the servo motor to pick up object and place in its desired location. And following these rules, you can build a pick and place robot by using
location and then place it down. Adjust the servo's position and delays as needed for your specific setup.
And this whole thing is homemade?
Yes.